Hey, sup? These are my color therapy glasses. I have two of them in my car. I have other ones in my wife's car, but these are two that I normally wear. This is Aqua, and this is Baker Miller Pink. These two color therapy glasses are the ones that I like the most out of all the different colors. There's like an array of colors and what moods they're supposed to help you feel. But I like these ones because they're sort of lighter. The other colors were darker, and everything looks a lot darker. So, Aqua is supposed to make you feel openness, confidence, relaxation, soothing feeling, and sensitivity. Baker Miller Pink is calming aggression, relaxation, relief, and appetite suppressant. Now, whether these do this or not, it it mostly works, I think, but at least it makes me feel better. For instance, like when I lived in Seattle, um, we get a lot of gray skies, and this made like the aqua. It made the skies look blue, and that made me feel better when I was driving. Um, so, if anything, at least these ones are pretty good. I wear these ones also just to sort of switch off every once in a while. If I go on a longer drive, then I'll just switch them off just for some change in colors and scenery. I find that if I wear a pair for a while, it shifts my color, shifts my vision in that color. So when I wear these, it's a little bit blue shifted, and so when I take them off, everything is a little bit red shifted, and the opposite for this. So when I wear them, everything starts getting red shifted, and I take them off, it's blue shifted. And when I switch the glasses, it actually enhances that shifting. And sometimes that's sort of neat to feel, but then it goes away after a little bit, so it's not like permanent. Um, so yeah, these are UV protected. So I like wearing them when I'm driving. So just a note, when I tried on the different colors and they were darker, it was indoors. So while driving, it might have a different effect, or while outside, it may not be as severe, the darkness. But these ones sort of instantly felt good to me. And so I bought these ones. Also to note, the instructions say to wear these for at least 20 minutes to be effective. So, thanks for watching. This is what I experienced while trying out these color therapy glasses. Leave me a comment if you've ever used colored glasses before, or if you've ever wondered about them. Let me know, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Take care.